Huawei's autonomous driving system just shocked the internet, with zero failures in the infamous disappearing lead car test. Influencers across China recreated this dangerous scenario: a fake car placed ahead, another vehicle tightly hugging the left lane, blocking all escape routes. Speed, a risky 120 km/h. But Huawei's ADS handled it like a pro, not once, but with 5 different strategies to avoid collision. Instant acceleration into even the tiniest gap when available. Smart rerouting through the emergency lane if needed. Precision deceleration while gently steering left when space opens. Patient braking, waiting for the left car to speed off before changing lanes. And when needed, manual override with full driver control. This isn't just intelligent driving, it's intuition on wheels. Is Huawei leading the next wave of smart mobility? Let's talk in the comments.